G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen here, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Look, still down under. We're in a little town called Victoria Point, a little bit south of Brisbane, Australia. Look, we've come across, again, another great example of businesses that are able to kind of integrate with other businesses. So behind me here, we have the Burrito Bar, modern Mexican. We haven't eaten here yet. But lo and behold, there's a great example here of a concept downsizing and almost puzzle piecing it to the point where they've got a little dessert option, or Baskin's has offered a little dessert option for this Burrito Bar. Burrito Bar's national chain here, and obviously they're kind of lent towards somebody to kind of handle the dessert side of their business, and so Baskin's has put together almost kind of like a mini Baskin's with a limited menu, not all of the flavors, but some of the flavors, some of the most popular flavors, and have basically just plugged their concept in to grow their concept. So now that Baskin's can say that they've got all of these extra locations, and Burrito Bar are giving their customers a frozen dessert option that they don't have to worry about the standard operating procedures, production, all that stuff for. There's lessons to be learned here from even independently owned ice cream shops that can kind of scale down their operation to be almost like a satellite concept, and then approach some of these other regional or local chains and saying, hey, we've got a plug in here that we can do your dessert option for you. And I've seen a few different ways that happens. They're independently cost-centered, so that Baskin's here is still taking money from the Baskin's till or drawer, and then Burrito are doing their own, or the Burrito Bar basically purchases ice cream from Baskin's, so it's more of a supplying ice cream rather than supplying the whole concept. Anyway, it works really, really well. Another thing I want to show you while I'm here is this crazy ice cream scoop that Baskin's is using, and I've never seen it anywhere before. Come on in. Okay, so I asked Alicia to pack a take-home pack for my wife's favorite, pralines and cream. Lo and behold, she gets this monstrosity out and starts scooping it up like it's nobody's business. And I said, hey, Alicia. I didn't say Alicia because I didn't know her name. Give me a look at that scoop. Now, apparently this is designed for Baskin. So it's got a pretty kind of old school trigger assembly here. This actually slides out here for easy use. In over 30 years of ice cream making, producing, scooping, I have never seen a scoop like this, but I really actually do like it because it's got a ridged, rubbish is being thrown out behind us here. It's got a ridged portion here at the top, but that kind of traditional old trigger that helps you push the ice cream out. I asked if I could buy it. They said that I couldn't, so we may end up going through the dumpster tonight and see if we can find a couple. These things that you come across in the process of just visiting local ice cream shops. Someone's had a good night. Just thought I might share that information with you. Always be on the lookout for different things that you can learn from different ice cream businesses. I'm gonna go back to the crew here and see if I can continue to negotiate to purchase this scoop, and we'll see how we go. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Leave some comments down below. If you've got a satellite location that you are utilizing in other businesses, love to hear about it. Leave it in the comments. And as we say in all of our episodes, keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.